Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download thumbnails from Canva to match YouTube branding. First, open your web browser and navigate to canva.com. Log into your Canva account or create a new one if needed. Once logged in, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Type in YouTube thumbnail and press enter. Browse through the available templates and select one that fits your branding. Customizing the template is easy. Click on any text or image to edit. Use the toolbar to change fonts, colors, and images to match your YouTube brand. After finishing your design, look for the download button in the top right corner. Click on the download button to open the download options. Select the file type you prefer, typically PNG for thumbnails. Ensure the dimensions are appropriate for YouTube, which is 1280 by 720 pixels. Click the download button to save the thumbnail to your device. Navigate to your downloads folder to locate the newly downloaded thumbnail. Now, you can upload the thumbnail directly to your YouTube video during the upload process. Make sure the thumbnail is eye-catching and relevant to enhance your video's appeal. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded a thumbnail from Canva to match your YouTube branding. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.